Hello, in front of me I've got Skullcandy Push Active. In this video I'll show you how to manage and use voice assistants. In the beginning, make sure that your headphones are connected with Skull IQ app and enter the app. Now, enter voice control, and by this switch you can enable or disable voice control. Then you can change voice assistant language and select new voice assistants between Amazon, iHeart and TuneIn. On the bottom of the list, you can check commands for voice assistant. Here are the commands for media player, fast actions, phone call commands and assistant. Hey Skullcandy. This is the command you have to use to activate voice assistant. Make sure that earbuds are worn. Now simply say, hey Skullcandy, Spotify. Hey Skullcandy, stay aware on. You can't hear that, but actually the earbuds gave me voice feedback after saying the command. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.